my cuzzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're off to find some dinosaurs. Oh, I'm scared. Hoake tātou. Oh, you little goody. Hey, e tohu. Dangerous raptor. Help! Whoa! It's ginormous! I wonder if I can lift it up. Lift it up! Don't give up. Make sure you try your best. It's way too huge. Come on! Whoa, check out how big these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gumboots. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, kia ora e te whānau. Jeez, he's all looking fantastic, fantastic. Oh, couple of big boys. Oh, hey, excuse me. What did you have for breakfast? Check it out, I'm a pterodactyl egg. Check it out, my cousins. It's a crocodile. It's been so amazing finding all the dinosaurs today. I'll see you next time. Ka kite anō.